any type of tingle, because it's gonna start to tingle. Because remember, we dermaplane, so she's gonna tell your client like, hey, this is the button. Teach them how to use it, because they're gonna be one using their fan. Yeah, and it goes higher. Like the more you go that way, okay, I think that's the highest. And so then you have your cold bowl with the nice ice water.
Okay.
The ice water, you're gonna use your sponges for that. And then the regular bowl that you have up there, that's going to be the decontamination bowl. So whenever you take the peel off with the sponges, you can wring it out in that bowl and then get fresh water from that bowl. So it's still going to get contaminated, but it'll be less contaminated.
So wring it out from here and then dip it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Because that's going to be the cold new water. And then you're going to wash the face again, rinse it out, wash it again on the face, wring it out. So it's like just a process of rinse, wash, repeat.
So washing is just literally getting the peel off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Right, and so when we add the peel on the face, we're only going to let that peel stay on the face for about maybe a minute, minute and a half per pass. And per pass meaning I'm just applying one pass, I sit and wait for a minute and 30 seconds, then I apply another pass, that's 2 passes, wait another minute and 30 seconds, then I apply a third pass if need be.
If need be.
Yeah, we don't. Acne clients, definitely third passes, maybe fourth. But that's it. No fifth, sixth.
So glad you got no acne.
The clients I have that have like dark marks like mine, or maybe a little bit more. What peel should I probably be using?
I would use the TCA peel initially, the first time, maybe even the second time. It's out of battery. I would use the TCA. Then after the third time, I would use the lactic. The lactic lightens and brightens the hyperpigmentation. That's to take out the hyperpigmentation, but then to lighten it up would be the lactic peel to smooth back uneven skin tones. Is a lactic peel.
And they would probably need to use like a melanin inhibitor probably for a few weeks if they're dark like me.
If you have, yes.
Okay.
It's
to prevent the more hyperpigmentation.
You can use like a mandelic, like a soap bar or azelaic acid soap bars or anything inhibitor. You know what I mean? Like except for hydroquinone. Hydroquinone, even though it works, it is cancer form. Like it's a bit, but it does lighten. Hydroquinone is kind of like the best. But to try to find it on the market now, it is hard. Even for a dermatologist to order it.
Some type of natural serum that has all those
Serums are the
properties
best.
in it.
Yes, please use the serum because serum is a smaller molecule, so it breaks into the skin and nourishes the skin from inside out. The things that can't nourish from the inside out, like sunscreens, moisturizers, that will moisturize the top layers of the skin, but it can't go in. It's a bigger molecule. It can't penetrate into the skin. It's like water on the duck's back. The duck will never get wet on the inside. The feathers are too packed or wound together for water droplet to even get in. And that's why if you ever see a duck going underwater and come right back up, the water just beads right off of it. It doesn't even. I don't think a duck has ever really even been wet unless you just take off all the feathers. But I don't even think a duck knows what wet is unless the little wet the feet does, but or their beak or eyes, but
they probably don't because it goes right off of them. They just shake it off.
And that's how they hover on that water. It's not because they're so buoyant or like a boat. It's because that water can't even saturate their body to even take them underwater. Okay. Alright, so sorry. Alright, so then after that we got the water, we got the fan going. I mean, you don't have to have the fan on now until you feel like, okay, it's burning, but you can keep it on too.
Feel good.
Alright, so we're going to dip a little bit in our brush. And so for this little bit, we're going to do like a spot test. So a patch test, basically, we're going to put right here on the side of the temple. Just a little dab like this. Perfect. And then we're going to give her about 30 seconds and to see how her skin reacts to it. If she says...
It's in her hair.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Because we're gonna get it out with...
It's burning?
It burns, yeah. Well, we'll see how she feels. Like, is it burn? Like, can you tolerate it? I'm sorry. Like, if you did like a whole face of it, is it tolerable? If we do it real fast and then we take it off with the cold water?
I think so. I should be able to handle it. I have a tendency of just...
You did say your pain tolerance wasn't that high, too.
And if she turns...
you told me that.
Can you turn to your right side? And if it turns bright red, oh yeah, don't continue. But hers, it did. So it's negotiable, right? Use that fan, yeah. But is it better with the fan? Everything's okay?
It's better with the fan.
Right.
I'm just
Okay.
gotta control my hand.
So all we're gonna do, you're gonna really saturate the whole entire brush in the peel, and then you're gonna start at the forehead.
Forehead.
Just nice and slow, or fast, because it's probably gonna be.
All right, let's
burning.
get this on here
There
and
you
get it
go.
off.
Very good. Oh man, I forgot to set your video so you can see what you.
Oh my god.
We'll do the second
I don't think
one.
she can do it.
Real
It's
fast.
okay.
There you go. Keep going. There you go. Right. It's almost like the quicker you get it on, the quicker they can get used to it. And like, oh, okay, I can take it.
Where else am I going?
Okay, so saturate your brush a little bit more.
Okay.
And then do the nose, nice and slow. So we won't drip into the eye. Good, good. You control the peel. I just wanted to see how you perform. And whenever it runs like that, just get it to the side, brush real fast. Because peel will only travel as fast as you can brush it off.
Control it?
Right.
Okay.
So if you get to it real quick, you can get it before it gets into the crest of the cup. And if it does, we just get some, tell them to blink hard. We get our sponges and get it out. That's all.
What about right there?
Yep.
See how it's turning red?
It's okay. You just get the chin area, all that.
Right here?
Yeah, we're having.
Right,
Yep.
I'm sorry.
Perfect. No, you're doing good. You're doing good.
Oh god.
Doing good. So right now it's been past 30 seconds, so we're almost
Okay.
closer to the
You gonna
minute.
Take it off?
Not yet.
Oh.
So we're almost close to a minute.
Okay.
You can get the upper lip a little bit.
All right. Put it
Perfect.
up
Yeah,
in
we're just
there.
asking the mums to work mum.
Okay.
Perfect.
How's the fan working?
Perfect.
From a scale to 1 to 10, it's at a 5. A
No, it
7.
eased down. I don't even feel it no more.
Good. So
My anxiety
So
went
you
up.
got to get it on first, right? Fast. That initial burn is what freaks everybody out. But once it's on, like, oh, I can do. Okay.
Okay.
But that first initial, it makes you just want to take it off, right? Immediately. Because
Okay.
you're not used to this. This is actually a chemical peel. It's strong.
Right.
It's only 10%.
Wow.
So imagine the 30% peels, the
Yeah.
45% peel, 50, 60, and it goes all the way up to 80.
Is this one gonna peel the next day?
Some people don't, with our genetic makeup, because we have oil production, not every black person peels.
Okay.
I only peel around the corners of my mouth and the corners of my nose. That is it, because that's my dry areas.
Okay.
Everywhere else, I'm so oily. My forehead, I've never peeled on my forehead. And I do chemical peels quite frequently.
So when you say chemical peel, it literally makes you peel?
Yep. Just the peel, right. It peels off like a snake shedding its skin. And you're getting ready for new skin.
Awesome.
Yeah. And the chemical is because it's through a chemical process of a lot of oranges, lemons, zest, papaya, anything with bromelain, anything that with an acidic factor, lime, that can take off the dead skin cells. So out of lime, they would have to take like maybe 100 limes just to make a 4-ounce bottle, or maybe even 1,000 limes to squeeze off.
Okay.
Or lemons, you have to take maybe 2,000 lemons, maybe even more than that, just to have that little bottle right there. That's a 6-ounce bottle, or no, 4-ounce. Your work, you did this.
Yay.
Wow, so on your Instagram or wherever you're gonna put it on, people are gonna love, like, man, why does she have perfect eyebrows, man? See? Why is her skin glowing? Like Jamila hooked it up.
Yes. Looks great. Alright,